In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to Squarespace. If you are running ads on Facebook or Instagram, the Facebook Pixel helps you track what people do on your website after they click your ads. Once it is installed, you can use that data to measure results and build better targeting for future campaigns. Let us go through the process step by step in your Squarespace dashboard, with plenty of time to follow along. First, log into your Squarespace website dashboard. Take a moment to make sure you are working in the correct site, especially if you manage more than one website. When you are logged in, look for the main dashboard area where you manage settings, pages, and integrations. This is where the MetaPixel settings live, so getting into the right place now will make everything smoother. Next, click Settings. After you select Settings, you should see a list of configuration options for your website. This section is important because it is where Squarespace collects tools and connections for your site. If you notice multiple categories, that is normal. You are simply looking for the one that relates to marketing and tracking. Now, click Marketing. This is where Squarespace groups features that help you promote your site and connect it to advertising platforms. You are going to find the MetaPixel and Ads option within this area. If you have to scroll slightly, that is fine. Just move patiently until you see the correct menu item. After that, click MetaPixel and Ads. This page is specifically designed for adding the Facebook Pixel to your Squarespace site. You will usually see a section labeled for the Pixel settings, including a place to enter your Pixel ID. Keep your browser window focused on this page so you can enter the information accurately. Once you are on the MetaPixel and Ads screen, type or paste your Pixel ID into the Pixel ID box. Make sure the ID is entered exactly as it appears in your Meta account. Accuracy matters here, because the Pixel ID tells Facebook which specific Pixel configuration should be connected to your website. If you prefer, you can paste it first. Then double-check that no extra spaces were added at the beginning or end. Now that the Pixel ID is in place, click Save. This step ensures that Squarespace stores the Pixel ID and activates the connection you just set up. After you click Save, wait a moment for the page to confirm the change. You may see an updated status or a confirmation that the settings were applied successfully. It is a good idea to stay on this screen briefly so you can confirm that everything looks correct. At this point, your Facebook Pixel is added through your Squarespace settings. Depending on how you are testing, it may take a little time for events to show up in Meta, especially if you have not yet generated website traffic since installing it. If you are planning to test, you can visit your website and make sure your Pixel is receiving activity as expected using Meta's tools. And that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.